This is a demonstration of how to install SpiraLith Ca carbon dioxide absorbent using the Easy Change canister mode on the GE Aces, Aspire and Advanced anesthesia machines. Prior to installation, start by inspecting the canister for any potential shipping damage. Look at both top and bottom areas. There is a QR label on the absorbent that will direct you to the SpiraLith website, which has more information about the product. Here are the indicator windows which help you to anticipate end of cartridge life. The indicator windows in the new cartridge may have a very slight shade of violet or gray. For comparison, here is a reacted cartridge which has a much darker blue-violet color. As the absorbent reacts, the windows gradually change to dark violet, starting at the top and progressing downward. Although the indicator windows are used to anticipate end of cartridge life, capnography should be used to determine when the actual change should be made. Typically, CO2 absorbance canisters are changed at a FiCO2 of 0.5%, however, this is a clinical decision and may vary. Typically, the third window will be reacted at this point. One thing to note is that UV light exposure will reduce the indicator color change, so consider storing cartridges away from light exposure. Prior to loading the canister, remove the tape and end caps. Then load the canister. Slide the canister all the way to the bottom stop of the holder. Then push the canister up into place from the bottom of the canister until the latch engages. Here is a technique that you should not use. It is called the one-hand slam. Do not use one hand to load the canister. This is a sure way to break or damage the canister and fail a pressure test. Instead, always use the second hand to support the canister from the bottom as demonstrated. After the canister is installed, the leak and compliance test should be performed. During use, SpiraLith Ca will produce the same amount of water as granular absorbents, but this water may be more visible because it is not hidden by granules. If you have water traps, don't forget to empty out your water traps and clean the components as per your machine operating instructions. Thank you for using SpiraLith Ca solid absorbent technology.